Hi guys, I'm in Stonehaven today. It is east coast of northern Scotland, not far from Aberdeen. And I'm here from work, just waiting for a train, so I thought I'll have a wee wander around the small town or a city, I don't know. I'm heading towards the harbor and I'll try to launch a drone and tell you a couple of more things about this lovely little town in northern East Scotland. So it is my first vlog using the A7 IV Sony Alpha 7 IV. So yeah, Philip, stop talking, let's go airborne. Stonehaven is a port town in northeast Scotland, just 15 miles south of Aberdeen. The population of this picturesque town is around 11,000. In the 19th century, the city was an important herring trading center. On the promenade that connects the beach with the harbor, there are metal sculptures of fishing boats, Viking boat, a waterplane and a lighthouse. All of these sculptures are made of stainless steel and are by a local artist who tries to remain anonymous. He is often called Scottish Banksy or Banksy of Stonehaven. Sometimes you can see seals that swim up to the shore to bask in the sun or just play in the bay. If you have binoculars, take them because there is a chance to see dolphins swimming in the bay. Walking along the promenade, we will also come across a sculpture of a dolphin. And we have the tiny harbor here, and it looks absolutely, well, normal. It looks normal. When I look at those tiny fishing boats, well, not really tiny, but overall, you know what I mean. And I know I'm a scuba diver and I do kite surfing and stuff, but I'm always frightened by that kind of small thing floating on top of the really deep seas and oceans. Honestly, I'm really scared of. And check this rock formation here at the entrance to the harbor. This looks absolutely great. In today's anniversary episode, that's all. And anniversary is because exactly 2 years ago, on the 1st of March, I started publishing videos on YouTube. So that's 2 years since I've joined the YouTube community. And yes, please give it a thumbs up to this video. It always helps the algorithm to push the video to a wider audience. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And then when you subscribe, please hit the bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. And also let me know if you want or would like to see more content from travels around Scotland. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers.